Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Enable developer options and allow installation from your chosen installer. Once done, free 2 GB of storage and backup app data via settings or a DB. Next, check Android version and CPU ABI, ARM, ARM64, or x86, because that determines which APK variant runs. You want the right binary and a compatible minimum SDK. Make sure charging and Wi-Fi are stable before continuing. That reduces mid-install failures. Now you obtain the app files. Choose a trusted source and download the matching base APK and any config or split APKs, or a universal variant if available. Once downloaded, open an installer that supports split APKs, APK Mirror Installer or SAI, and feed it the bundle. The installer will align splits into a proper package. Make sure to verify signatures or checksums. This avoids corrupted or tampered builds. Once the installer finishes, pause to check for required companion services or libraries. Finish by granting runtime permissions and restarting the app so services initialize correctly. Then disable aggressive battery optimizations and allow background data for that app, because older Android often kills background processes. If the app needs Google services, either install a compatible GMS package for your ROM or use a micro G build if supported. If something goes wrong, the app crashes or won't open, check for ABI mismatch. Reinstall the correct APK variant, clear app data, and reboot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.